Hello everyone, Armaan here, also known as Tactical Armaan. Today I'm here in downtown Brampton to view some GO trains, and as you can see, here comes the GO train right now. Before we get to this full video, you guys know what to do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the like button, comment below, share with your friends, all your notifications will push it like this. Enjoy the video. And there you have it, guys. Here's a full video of the GO train station at this downtown Brampton. They're on their way next to Mount Pleasant. So if I ever see a scenic train, I'll make another short full video like this. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the like button, comment below, share with your friends, all notifications will post it like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all guys in next week on the month of October. Have a good day.